and welcome to Dragontech Extended. Today we'll be extending on yesterday's episode of all the 3 essentials. Today we'll be talking about ccleaner, or as it originally was called, crap cleaner, but nobody wanted to use it while it's called that, because who wants crap cleaner on your PC? So ccleaner is more family friendly. As you can see, this is the user interface here. And also, as you can see, my Windows is assigned to play upon me. Always the way. It's Microsoft. So yeah, here's just your main interface of the cleaner, all the stuff that it's going to clean up, all the applications you have installed that it's also going to clean. Absolutely everything is all here. So what I'll do is I'll do a quick run just to show you how it all works. Depends on how much RAM processor speed you have to how fast this actually cleans and how many files you have on your PC. Me having quite a few, I needed quite a fast processor, so yeah. It could be fast, it could be slow, all depending. So it does absolutely everything you need it to by here. Also empties out your recycle bin, so you don't have to do that. And you see it cleans your temporary internet files, your history, your cookies, everything you see there it all cleans for you, which is always brilliant. Next is the registry cleaner. As I said in the episode, registry problems can be a pain for new and old PCs. So using registry cleaner often, say you've installed a program, then you've uninstalled it again, there's going to be registry programs, well, registry problems, should I say, that are going to be sat there through the program, and you're going to want them rid of. At the moment I've got no issues, which is always a great sign. That means there's no registry problems there whatsoever. I can see there's all the registries that it will look for. Your next thing is your tools menu. Pretty basic stuff here on the uninstall. It's just all the programs you have installed. As you can see on the PC, you can uninstall whatever. It's much quicker than the Microsoft one. You don't have to go through all the running through. Next we have Startup. This is where you go to check your startup on the Windows. So when you start your Windows up in the first, I don't know, 5-10 days, the way Windows loads now, it comes up with all sorts of stupid things at the start, such as your antivirus, any kind of graphic interface you might have running, and so on. As you can see here, this is where you can enable and disable any program you like. So say you don't want something like, I'll say for instance Microsoft Security Essentials, I can disable it just by clicking a button or enabling it. So by disabling it, it doesn't run, it doesn't take up any kind of system memory when it's starting. On the Internet Explorer one here, this will show you anything that's installed to the internet, such as plugins, taskbars, all that sort of thing. If you don't want one, you just go to here and you can disable it much quicker and remove it. This is a scheduled taskbar, more for a slightly advanced user of anything, but this is just literally like the scheduled tasks of maybe updates that you run, such as you can see my Jet Clean and the Google and all that things. The context menu is just literally like what you've got a program assigned to do, such as I have my PaintShop Pro to be my pretty much primary photo editor, so of course I've got it so it opens up all kinds of photos, image files, anything like that. Along with my videos, I have that playing through VLC Media Player. If I don't want to do it, it's just like the Windows one. Just go to it and say disable, and voila, it will play through the default one, which of course would be Windows Media Player, whatever you're running. The next thing is System Restore. This is no more than literally the System Restore that Microsoft already has. It's just there, and it's just a tiny bit quicker again for you to find. Driver Wiper, again, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's like formatting a hard drive so you don't have to do all the hard work of going through, trying to find it all to find which hard drive, and doing all the stupid, hard, niggly-biddly bits. This just does it all for you, which is much better. Now you have your basic options of the settings, cookies for the internet, so if you don't want a cookie removed when you're doing a cleanup, say, I'll do one for instance, the YouTube one, this is already on my keep. So if I say that, it will then delete it next time I run. If I want to keep this one though, I click on here and it sends it back to the keeps. Then we have the include and exclude. These are just for custom file searches whenever you're doing like custom cleanups. Nothing really to worry about unless you're an advanced user. And of course this is just, again, the advanced users options. Again, not really nothing really to worry about, so yeah. That is Crap Cleaner, or ccleaner, whichever one you want to call it. It's a great program, I'd recommend it. Also, just a quick little note as well at the top here, it tells you a little bit about your system. So as you can see, I've got Windows 7, an AMD Phenom processor, 12GB of RAM, and of course an AMD Radeon 7800 series graphics card. Right, that concludes this episode of the Dragontech Extended. Hope you enjoyed.